Hey guys, it's me, Rodney Marquez, and today I'm going to show you how to catch a rainbow trout slow drifting trout doe. Alright, so this concept is quite new to me and I really wanted to share it with you guys because it's been really effective. The rig of choice that I'm going to be using is trout doe. You can use Powerbait, Pautzke, whatever you like for this type of technique. Ultralight gear, I have an 8-foot presser rod on a Shimano Sedona 500 FD. And then 4-pound test, 4-pound monofilament, 4-pound fluorocarbon, whatever you like. You're gonna have a swivel, barrel swivel, egg weight or a drop shot weight, and a size 18 treble hook. So basically the rig of choice is a simple Carolina rig. You're gonna have your egg weight or your drop shot weight on your main line, and then attached is gonna be your swivel, and then after your swivel is gonna be 2 to 3 feet of your leader line, of your 4-pound test leader line, and at the end is going to be your size 18 treble hook. You want a small size treble hook because you want that trout doe to be able to float. If you're gonna have a heavier, if you have a bigger treble hook, it's not gonna float with the amount of trout doe that you put. So like I said, you can use Powerbait, Pautzke, Firebait, any kind of trout doe product you like. You mash it up in a ball to cover that trout doe, and that's basically it. It's kind of like your traditional, you're gonna catch a trout on Powerbait or trout doe and you cast and wait. But the technique that I found really effective is casting out there and then slow drifting it towards you. So when the trout doe, when you cast it out there and this weight hits the bottom, this trout doe is gonna float up, and when you slow drift it, it's going to kind of give off scent from this product. And once the trout smells that scent, they're more likely to bite your trout doe versus if it was sitting there and it wasn't doing anything at all. Not saying that that technique is not effective, but just slow drifting it maybe a couple inches every 5 seconds really is effective. All right guys, so I'm here at beautiful Lake Poway. Right in front of me over here, I'm gonna go ahead and try this technique out for you guys and catch a rainbow trout. Wish me luck. There's one. There he goes. He's gonna eat it. Let him swallow it for like 5 seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and then gently set the hook. There it is. Slow roll Powerbait. The reason why I kind of move the Powerbait is so the scent of the trout doe kind of lingers or trails where it was before, and if the trout smells it, it's gonna more be inclined to eat it. Sick. There's my rig. You can use an egg weight or drop shot weight. My little swivel and my leader line. I like to have about 3 feet of leader line here. And then this is a stock trout, so I'm gonna go ahead and gill it. Slow roll trout doe. Moving the trout doe very slowly so it trails the scent of the trout doe and entices any lingering trout to bite. And then as soon as you see the trout kind of nib and eat the trout doe, wait 5 or so seconds until it swallows it, until you gently set the hook. That's how you do it, guys. Pretty cool.